Hello dear friends, today we continue to learn professions. Yeah, there are many professions, and today professions of art sphere: musician, muzikant, muzikant, composer, композитор, композитор, singer, певец, певец, dancer, танцор, танцор, DJ, 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 photograph, photograph, photograph. And you know what's actor and actress, актер, актриса, and director, filmmaker, режиссер, режиссер, кинорежиссер. Then producer, 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 and writer, писатель, писатель, poet, поэт, поэт, editor, redactor, редактор, редактор, translator, переводчик, переводчик, journalist, журналист, журналист, artist, painter, художник, художник, florist, флорист, флорист, and some more professions: psychologist, психолог, психолог, guide, гид, гид, or one more word, экскурсовод, экскурсовод, and librarian, библиотекарь, библиотекарь. And that's all. See you in the next video. We'll learn modern professions. Bye!